Did you know that moths are among the most fascinating insects in the world? They have been around for over 200 million years, long before many dinosaurs roamed the earth. Moths are often mistaken for butterflies, but they actually belong to a different order called Lepidoptera. Unlike butterflies, moths are usually nocturnal and have muted colors to blend into the night. One interesting fact is that some moths, like the Luna moth, can have wings that span up to 4 inches, making them quite impressive in size. Their vibrant green color and eye-shaped markings can startle predators. Moths also have incredibly sensitive antennae that help them detect pheromones from miles away. This adaptation is crucial for finding mates in the dark. Did you know that certain moths can predict the weather? Some species change their behavior based on upcoming changes in temperature or humidity. For example, the peppered moth played a significant role in studying evolution. Its varying coloration helped scientists understand natural selection during the Industrial Revolution. Another cool fact is that many moths have scales on their wings that are tiny, colorful, and can come off easily. These scales are responsible for their patterns and colors. Some moths, like the Tyler moth, are incredible escape artists. They can fold and hide their wings perfectly to resemble dried leaves, making them almost invisible. Certain moths also have the ability to produce sounds. They do this to deter bats, which are their predators, by mimicking ultrasonic calls. Did you know that moths are vital to ecosystems? They pollinate many plants, especially those that bloom at night like the agave and moonflower. The death's head hawk moth is particularly famous because it has a skull-shaped pattern on its thorax, which has inspired many legends and horror stories. Many cultures see moths as symbols of transformation and rebirth due to their metamorphic life cycle from caterpillar to winged adult. Interestingly, some moths like the Io moth have eye spots on their wings that can startle predators or make them think twice before attacking. Moths are also known to have a remarkable ability to navigate using the moon and stars, although they sometimes get disoriented by artificial lights, which is called light pollution. This confusion often traps moths around lamps, leading to their unfortunate demise, but it highlights their complex navigation skills. Did you know that in some regions, moths are considered pests because they can damage clothing, stored grains, and fabrics? Yet on the other hand, moths contribute significantly to biodiversity and serve as food for many other animals like birds, bats, and spiders. The giant silk moths are famous for producing silk, which humans have used for thousands of years. Their larvae create the silk cocoons that produce valuable textiles. In addition, some moth species are incredibly hardy and can survive extreme conditions, such as the snowy regions where the Arctic woolly bear moth lives. Scientists continue to study moths to understand their many unique adaptations, which might inspire technological innovations in the future. For instance, their camouflage techniques could help develop better stealth materials for military or civilian use. Did you know that moths have been featured more in pop culture recently? They symbolize mystery, transformation, and sometimes even fear. Authors and filmmakers often use moths to evoke a sense of darkness or intrigue in their stories. Their elusive nature makes them perfect symbols of the unknown. There are even experimental studies involving moths and their ability to detect electromagnetic fields, which could have implications for future sensors. Many people find moths mesmerizing to observe, especially when they gather around lights in the summer nights, creating enchanting scenes. Some moths are quite delicate, with shimmering wings that look like tiny stained glass windows when light hits them just right. The diversity of moths worldwide is staggering, with over 160,000 documented species, and scientists believe many more are yet to be discovered. Finally, learning about moths reminds us of the beauty and complexity of nature, and how every creature has a role to play in our environment.